Today we talk about how can you add to story on your add the story on your emo app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on your name here, so just click on it. So then it's sorry, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on new here. So then it's going to take you to this list and you add here, you click here on add a story here. So then you click here on allow, then it's going to take you to your photos, then select it here on your emo app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.